Hey, Judy, you inspire me to not be comfortable. I like the way you keep on changing countries. You are such an inspiration. Hey. It comes at what cost though? At what cost? Do you know how many times have I bought linen? Do you know how many times have I bought laundry basket? We are all about functionality now. Aesthetics later. Okunye nokunye kuzolandela. Siyasebenza. So you must know changing countries all the time, it comes at a cost. How many visa runs are you gonna do? How many pots are you going to buy? Kuningi nje, kuningi. Bona it's worth it, but you donate time food, donate time, one who donate linen, one who donate laundry basket, one who donate pots, one who donate anything. And then life will be easier like that. Anyway, Mina, this is time consuming.
Hey once again, let's see who is still watching. If you are, I am thinking of doing an update queue and a video. Please leave your question below this video. If you don't have a question, leave a comment or a flower. Thank you.